Digitalization changes everything. Massive amounts of data are constantly being generated from billions of intelligent devices across every industry, much of it going to waste. Capturing and analyzing this wealth of information allows us to better understand processes, performance, and capabilities, bridging the gap between the virtual and the real world.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting the how TNG eWallet apply data-driven strategy to enhance each business performance. So now let me introduce my team member.
My name is Sinan Sam.
Me, Beautiful.
My name is Lim Ka Seng.
My name is Utar.
So don't wasting the time, let us start our discussion now. TNG eWallet is one of Malaysia's leading digital wallets, playing a key role in the country move toward a cashless society. More than just a payment tool, TNG has evolved into a comprehensive digital platform offering a wide range of services from the toll reload, bill payments and QR code scanning to insurance, e-commerce and investment through Go Plus. By integrating itself into everyday life, TNG eWallet has become a vital part for how millions of Malaysians manage their daily transactions. This is why users give TNG a major advantage: access to a large volume of real-time data generated by the user across the different services. So how exactly does the TNG eWallet collect data? Let's take a closer look. TNG eWallet collects the data in many ways. For example, when you pay for food, groceries, call or phone reload, the app records the detail of that transactions, like how much you spent, what you bought, where you were, and the time of the purchase. It also tracks how often you use the apps, what service you use the most, and which features you like, such as Buy Now, Go Plus, or insurance. Besides just what you spend on, the app can also see the pattern over the times. For example, it may notice that you spend more on weekends, or that you prefer certain restaurants or shop. In your eWallet is linked to a bank or service features. It also can learn about your saving or investment habit. TNG eWallet collects vast amount of users' data from daily transactions, like when, where, and how people spend their money. But the collecting data is just a beginning. Behind the scenes, TNG uses data analytics and machine learning to make sense of these informations that track users' patterns, such as which merchants are most popular, the time of day people use the app, and how often the users top up and use the financial service like Go Plus or Do It Now. This allows them to group the users into a segments. For example, those who frequently spend on food and beverage, those who use the wallet mainly for toll, or those who engage in investments. Through this analysis, TNG can better understanding the user behavior, detect the unusual activity to prevent fraud, and measure the success of marketing campaigns. These insights are essential to making a smarter business decisions and offering a more personalized user experience. Now we will see the TNG action based on the insight. First, they use the data to offer personalized promotions. By studying what each user like to spend on, such as food, online shopping, or travel, then they will send a targeted deal, cashback, or discount voucher. For example, if a user often buy coffee or snack, the app may send them a cafe discount. This makes the offer more relevant and increase the chances of the users to keep using the app. Second, they will improve the security using a spending behavior. If someone suddenly make a big purchase or use the app in a new location, the system can recognize this as the unusual and trigger alert or even freeze the account for safety. These real-time fraud detections help protect the users from the scam and the account misuse. Grow their partner network by checking where and how the users spend most often. TNG can add more merchants in those areas, like adding more stores, restaurants, or service provided near users. This makes the app more useful in everyday life. Lastly, they add a new service based on the user needs. When they notice more user interest in saving or investing of small amount, they launch Go Plus. When the users pay many utilities bill through the app, the TNG make bill payment easier and even added the insurance options. All of this help turns TNG eWallet into a full finance tool, not just a payment app. This data-driven strategy has delivered a strong result. TNG eWallet now has over 20 million registered users in Malaysia. Personalized promotions has increased user engagements and app activity. Fraud cases have decreased thanks to the smarter monitoring tools. And by adapting the service to user demand, TNG has built a strong, loyal customer base, keeping ahead into a competitive digital payments market. All of this prove that TNG successful is powered by the data, turning insights into impactful outcomes.